Welcome to Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I Chef Pal today will be showing you a popular tikki recipe named Paneer Tikkis. These Paneer Tikkis are made spicy and richer by adding chillies and dry fruits. It's very easy to make and perfect to start a party with. So first, for the Paneer Tikkis, we will make a dry fruit stuffing. For that we will require chopped raisins, chopped cashews, and we will mix this well and keep aside. So now let's start making the Paneer Tikkis. For that we will need fresh paneer. I have crumbled the paneer. And now we will knead the paneer very well till it is smooth like a dough. Make sure your paneer is very fresh, otherwise this recipe will not be successful. You can see our paneer has been kneaded well now. Now we will add the other ingredients. Chopped coriander, a lot of green chillies, salt. Now we will add a pinch of powdered sugar and we will mix this all well. Make sure you add little extra chilies because paneer is quite bland. Our mixture has been mixed well. Our mixture is ready, our stuffing is ready. So now let's start rolling them into tikkis. We'll take one portion of the paneer. We will roll it like a ball. We'll make a slight depression. Now we'll add our prepared stuffing. You can use any type of stuffing as you would wish. Now we'll again seal the edges and make a ball. You can see I've made a ball. Now we will lightly press it again to form a tikki. Our paneer tikki is ready. In the same way we will shape the remaining tikkis. Our tikkis have been shaped and are now ready. So now let's roll them in cornflour. Lightly roll them because we are not going to deep fry them. We are going to cook them on a tawa. In the same way, we will roll the remaining tikkis. Our tikkis have been rolled in cornflour and are now ready to cook. We'll pour some oil all over our tawa. And now, once our oil is little hot, we will place our tikkis. And we'll cook this on a medium flame. Let's check if our tikkis are cooked on one side. Yes, they have. We'll cook them on another side as well. Paneer tikkis will break while cooking if you've not rolled them properly in the cornflour. Our tikkis have been cooked on both the sides. They're so simple and easy to make. So now let's serve our paneer tikkis. Serve these paneer tikkis hot and crispy with tomato ketchup or green chutney.
If you enjoy our recipes, click like. To see more of my recipes, click here. Please share your comments. I would love to hear them. I'm waiting for them.